Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So it seems that Microsoft is looking to be adding a new way of ensuring that your installed apps that are made available through the Microsoft Store are up to date via and using the Windows Settings app on Windows 11. And this is all according to a post by Windows Central. I'll leave the post in the description, where Windows Central, in the latest preview build, in the Insider program, that would be the dev and beta, I'm presuming, has spotted a new app updates page, which has appeared in the apps section of the Settings app, which lets you check for updates for apps that have chosen to support being updated via Windows Update. So if we head over to an image and a screenshot provided, here we can see on the apps page, app updates, and this is now in preview. So this is very interesting, so I thought I'd just put it out there to let you guys know. Now, if you're asking where this could be useful, I think if you have chosen to uninstall the Microsoft Store app completely and entirely, this may be a nice plan B to check for updates in the Windows Settings app as part of your apps page and all your apps collated in one convenient place. And earlier this year, Microsoft said, in regards to changes like this rolling out, said, and I'm quoting, "Updates across the Windows ecosystem can feel like a fragmented experience for IT admins managing applications that have their own update orchestrators, example, line of business, and commercial management tools that handle their own download, install, restart, and notifications today." So basically, Microsoft has said once again, and I'm quoting, "To solve this, we're building a vision for a unified, intelligent update orchestration platform capable of supporting any update, apps, drivers, etc., to be orchestrated alongside Windows updates." So I think this is where this is now going to start coming in. And according to the post, it says that it doesn't seem that the new app updates page in Windows settings is entirely functional currently, because apparently hitting the check for updates, very similar to what we get for Windows updates, button doesn't do anything in Windows Central's testing, though the page does report that it has previously checked for updates automatically, because we can see last checked and there's the date and time. So interesting stuff. Now, I personally think this will be more of benefit for IT admins in enterprise environments. And at the end of the day, I don't think this is going to impact the Microsoft Store's ability to download and update apps. But I suppose with Microsoft, as I say on the channel, only time will tell. And let me know your thoughts. Do you think that's a nice move? Having app updates done through the Settings app, all collated conveniently in one place? Let me know your thoughts. And obviously, if I get any more info, I'll try and keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.